Pause the film now to do the question before me. Right, so we've got 150,000, and each year it's being reduced by 18%, so the multiplier is 0.82, and that's for 3 years. Gives me the answer on my calculator of this. So to the nearest euro, the answer is 82,705. Pause the film now to do the question before me. So the price was $4.25, and we've increased that price by 8%, which gives me an answer of $4.59. Pause the film now to do the question before me. So we've had the price of the lasagna, and it has been increased by 8%. So it's been multiplied by 1.08, and it is now $9.45. So I'll need to do $9.45 divided by 1.08, which gives me the answer of $8.75. Pause now to do the question before me. So we start with a car worth $20,000. Each year it depreciates by 19%. So it's multiplied by 0.81, and that depreciation happens for 3 years. So my calculator then gives me this answer, and I'm asked to put it to the nearest dollar. So my answer is $10,629. Pause now to do the question before me. Right, so the price has been reduced by 15%, so the original price multiplied by 0.85, and the sale price is that. So to find the original price, I'm going to do 20.40 divided by 0.85, which tells me that the normal price of the hat was €24. Pause now to do the question before me. Okay, so the percentage increase from 17 to 18 is the increase 47 divided by the original 545 multiplied by 100. So that gives me 8.6%. And from 16 to 17, the percentage increase was the change 45 over the original 500 times by 100 gives me 9%. So the percentage increase in the car insurance from 17 to 18 is not more than the percentage increase from 16 to 17. So no, she is not correct. Pause now to do the question before me. So he gets a discount of 15%. So the multiplier is 0.85, and he pays 952. So the full price for the insurance must have been 952 divided by 0.85, gives a full price of 1,120, and the question is work out the discount. So the discount he got is 1,120 minus the price he paid. He got a discount of €168. Pause now to do the question before me. So the boat's originally worth $170,000, and the multiplier is going to be 0.92, and I'm depreciating this boat for 3 years. So the new value to the nearest dollar on my calculator is $132,377. Pause now to do the question before me. All right, so we're starting with the salary of $3,130,000, and we're increasing that by 4%. And so the salary after the increase on my calculator is $3,255,200 Japanese yen. Now to do the question before me. So the population has increased from 7,500 to 8,265. So it's increased by 765 people. So the percentage increase is the change divided by the original multiplied by 100, which gives me 10.2%. Pause now to do the question before me. So the sale price is €31.50, and that's after a reduction of 30%. So it's after being multiplied by 0.7. So the original price must be 31.5 divided by 0.7, which gives me an original price of €45. Pause now to do the question before me. So she has 50,000 and the interest rate is 2.4%. So the multiplier is 1.024 and she invests that compound interest for 3 years. So on my calculator, I'm putting my answer correct to the nearest yen. I get 53,687 yen. Pause now to do the question before me. So prices are reduced by 20%, so that means that the multiplier is 0.8, and the sale price is 1,080 rupees, so I'm going to do 1,080 divided by 0.8 to get the normal price, which is 1,350 rupees. Pause now to do the question before me. So he starts with 40,000 and the interest rate is 3.5% and he invests that at compound interest for 3 years. So if I put that in my calculator, put my answer to the nearest whole number, I get 45,901. Pause now to do the question before me. So he starts off with the sum of money P, and that sum of money is decreased by 6.5%. So it's multiplied by 0.935, and you end up with 30,481. So the original sum of money P must be 30481 divided by 0.935, which gives me an answer of 32,600.